Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you through the process of clearing Snapchat's cache. If you're experiencing glitches or want to free up some storage space on your device, this tutorial is for you. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Snapchat app on your device. Look for the familiar yellow icon with a white ghost and tap on it to launch the app. Step 2. Once the app is open, tap on your account picture located in the top left corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile settings. Step 3. In your profile settings, you'll notice a gear icon in the top right corner. Tap on it to access your Snapchat settings. Step 4. Scroll down through the settings options until you find Clear Cache. Tap on it to proceed. Step 5. A confirmation prompt will appear. To clear Snapchat's cache, tap on Confirm. Step 6. Alternatively, you can also clear Snapchat's cache normally through the settings. This helps optimize the app's performance and free up valuable storage space. By clearing Snapchat's cache, you can resolve performance issues and ensure smoother usage of the app. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more informative tutorials and guides. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.